Don't talk to us. Shut your mouth. Stop. Please stop. Hey brother, why those kids are arguing? It's like they are upset with each other.
You are right. It seems like they are having a disagreement. Sometimes when people argue, it because like having a upset and frustrated.
What do to help them? I can make it better, but I don't know how.
Oh, that's a great question. One of the best ways to help in such situations is by using kind words. Kind words can calm people down and help them understand each other better. They can change negative problem into positive one.